For the week starting today, the 9th of December 2019. Before I go into the trading ideas, I'll announce the winners of the contest for the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4 indicator. The winners are those guys which you can see on the screen. So congratulations guys, just shoot me an email and I'll send you the indicator. I'll also do another contest for the next week. What you need to do to participate in a contest is just leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on Facebook and also on YouTube. And the next week I'll just pick 2 winners who will win the flexible volume profile for the MetaTrader 4. Alright, so that's for the contest. Thanks so much for participating in it. And let's now go into the trading ideas. Let's start with intraday trading ideas. Now what you see before you, those 3 charts, those are linked, they show the same trading instrument. In this case is the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And on this chart, there are weekly profiles, those are fixed weekly profiles, and weekly VWAP. Now in this chart, you can see daily VWAP and a flexible volume profile. And this chart right there, this is a 15-minute chart, which shows fixed daily profiles. Alright, so let's have a look at the first trading idea, which is on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. If you look in here, you can see that I used the flexible volume profile over this area. And what I was interested in here was this rotation right there, which took place before the start of this strong buying activity. Now, I used the flexible volume profile to identify the heaviest volumes within this rotation. And as you can see, the heaviest volumes are right there, exactly at 82.42. This is where most of the sellers accumulated their selling positions, and afterwards they pushed the price from this place downwards. So what happens when the price makes it back to this level again? Well, most likely those sellers who placed those selling positions in here will start defending their selling positions and they'll push the price downwards from this level again. Alright, so this is a strong intraday resistance level. And by the way, there's also a confirmation. As you can see, the price reacted to this level in the past, which means that it was a support. And when the price went past the support, it then became a resistance. Alright, so that's a confirmation of the level. Also, another small confirmation is that Friday's VWAP first deviation, this one, this line, ended up a little bit above the level. This is the dotted line, so that's the confirmation. Also, if you look at the previous week's first deviation of the VWAP, this is this gray line, ended up in here in the last week. Alright, so a little bit above the level, there's also resistance created by the VWAP. Alright, so that's for the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's now move forward into another trading idea, which is on the euro pound. Alright, so this is the euro pound chart, and in this case, the intraday trading idea is very straightforward. It's based on the volume accumulation setup. If I use the flexible volume profile over this rotation, you can see that there were massive volumes accumulated before the start of this strong sell-off. This means that those volumes were mostly volumes of strong sellers who were building up their positions there, and afterwards they initiated selling activity and they pushed the price downwards. So when the price makes it back to this level again, those sellers are likely to start selling, defending their selling positions, and to push the price downwards from this level again. The exact value of the level is 0.8525. Alright, so that's a strong resistance to go short from. If you look at the weekly profile, at the weekly fixed profile right there, you can see that the level is almost at the weekly point of control, which is right there. It's like 1 or 2 pips below it. And that's a very strong confirmation of the level. Alright. By the way, the week before that, the point of control was also in here. Alright, so this looks like a very strong confirmation of the level. So when the price hits this level, I expect strong selling activity from there. But don't forget, it's intraday trading idea, so don't expect hundreds of pips from this trade, alright? It's better to go for 10 or 20, alright? Now the next intraday trading idea is on the British pound. So what we have in here is also very easy to spot volume accumulation setup in this rotation right there. As you can see, massive volumes accumulated before start of strong buying activity. This is a sign of strong buyers accumulating buying positions and afterwards pushing the price from the point of control from this place upwards. So what happens when the price makes it back to this level is that those strong buyers defending their buying positions, and they'll be likely to push the price upwards from this level again. Alright, so let's just wait for a pullback, and this level should work as a strong intraday trading support. By the way, if you look at the weekly fixed profile, you can see that this level is also very strong. Heaviest volumes are right there. This is the level. This is the significant volume cluster the support is based on. Alright, the exact value of the level is at 1.2997. Alright, so that's for the intraday trading ideas, and let's now go into a daily chart of the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, where I have a swing trading idea, which I would like to show you. Alright, so this is a daily chart of New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. The VWAP, which you see in here, is a yearly VWAP, and the profile which I show you here is a flexible volume profile. Now, what caught my eye is this strong buying activity. And within this buying activity, I'm interested in trading longs from significant volume clusters. Now the first volume cluster is this one. It's a pretty significant one, pretty heavy volumes accumulated within this rotation right there. And as you can see from this rotation, this strong buying activity started. So when the price makes it back to this level again, it's pretty likely that those buyers who are adding to their buying positions in here and afterwards pushing price upwards, those guys will try and push the price upwards from this level again. As you can see also, the first deviation of the VWAP line is very close to the level. This is the first deviation. It's moving, so it's hard to tell where it will be when the price hits this level again. But I guess that it will be close to the level. It will be in this area. This will probably be another strong confirmation of the level. Now the ideal stop loss for this trade would be somewhere in the low volume area, which is in here if you look at the profile. And if you want to trade with risk reward ratio 1, then this would be the take profit for this trade. Alright, so that's for the trading ideas, guys. I hope you like them. If you would like to get some trading education about volume profile or VWAP, or if you would like to trade with me on a daily basis, you are very welcome to do so. You just go to my website, which is trader-dale.com. You can see it right there. And what you do is you go to Dale's Forex course, and in here you pick the package which suits you best. The first package is called the Learning Pack, and it's for those who prefer to learn on their own using in-depth video course, which I made for you. It's a 44 video volume profile course, and there's a lot of information about trading with volume profile and a VWAP. And what you also get with this package is a volume profile pack. You'll get all the volume profiles which I developed for NinjaTrader 8 and also MetaTrader 4. Now the next package is called the Trading Pack. It's for those who would like to trade with me on a daily basis. With this pack, you get my intraday trading levels and my swing trading levels, and you also get the volume profile pack, which includes volume profiles for NinjaTrader 8 and MetaTrader 4. Now, the best deal is the Elite Pack, which basically consists of the Trading Pack and the Learning Pack, alright? The Elite Pack consists of those two, and also there's a bonus free VWAP indicator which I developed for NinjaTrader 8. That's the VWAP I also used in today's video. The Elite Pack has all the information you can get on trading with volume profile and VWAP. There's a lot of stuff to learn from. I definitely recommend getting this one. And if you are really serious about learning to trade with volume profile, then I think that this is the best option for you. Alright, so anyways, that's about it guys. That's about this video. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.